And I think people see that.
Yeah.
There's a push now more on social media where I think people are seeing the emptiness, the vapid void on that side. I just hope to see as that pendulum swings back that it then doesn't just go in this like you were saying.
Yeah.
I thought it was really good to put there's no judgment, right?
Yeah.
Because the pendulum could swing to that side where now we're condemning people.
Yeah.
And there's this middle ground where it's like, hey, we all make mistakes.
Yeah.
Let's just educate ourselves.
Yeah. It's not our job to condemn anybody, right? I mean, it's our job to help provide information, provide support, right? I mean, no matter what type of drug it is, but it's like, it's just, again, making educated decisions, just having an open discussion. Because, there's a lot of people out there that have tried these drugs, that have used it, that are interested in using this. And again, there's tons of it. There's tons of information out there, but it's like, how do we make sure that if you use any type of drug or you're deciding that, or it's been a pressure to you, you're making an educated decision. So, going in, these are all the things that could potentially happen to me, that I might not be thinking about, especially as it relates to these drugs and this not being a topic that's covered in schools.
Right.
They're just seeing all the positive stuff online, right? So you're seeing all the positive effects of these types of drugs. Nobody's out there saying, hey, went into cardiac arrest, or I had a stroke, or, I battled with some of these other side effects.
Yeah.
That's not being discussed.
Right.
And so if you're not talking about in school, I mean, really, we're one of the only private organizations out there focused on educating young people and adult influencers about these types of drugs. So we can go home and have conversations about it.